In this video, I'll detail how to upgrade or update iPhone X to iOS 18. So it doesn't matter whether you have the iPhone XX Max or you have the iPhone XS or iPhone XR or even the iPhone X. Then you can easily upgrade your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. Mark you, there are two ways to do this. You can either wait until the iOS 18 is released, or you download the public beta or developer beta on your iPhone X. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So here I'm going to show you a quick workaround on how you can install iOS 18 on your iPhone X. First, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, tap General, then click on Software Updates. Then here, wait for your iPhone X to search for available software update. Currently, you're going to see iOS 17 update. You start, that's iOS 17.6. But literally, you can just turn on developer mode to install the iOS 18. If the iOS 18 is available for you, that shows the iOS 18 is not available for the public. Because if you're not a developer, you're not able to download the iOS 18 now. But if you click on software update and you see iOS 18 available on your iPhone X, that shows the iOS 18 is not available for the general public. Now, if the iOS 18 is not available for you, in your own case, you can use the developer mode to download the public beta or download developer beta for your iPhone X. Then go to App Store and search for Apple Developer. Once you search for Apple Developer, you should see Apple Developer here. Then make sure you install this application. Once installed, open it and pass through the welcome page. On the welcome page, once you're on the discover page like this, click on Account, then tap Sign In. Then want to sign in with your Apple ID. Hang on while your account is signed into the Apple Developer account. So you can only do this with iOS 16 or later. Then scroll down and click on Agree. Then agree to this term. Then once you agree to the terms and conditions, you then need to enroll your iPhone X. Now, once you signed into the developer account on your iPhone, you can just go back, then go to General on your iPhone settings, tap Software Update, then refresh the page. Hang on while your iPhone refreshes page, then come to Beta, and here tap iOS 18 Developer Beta, then hit the back button again, then refresh the page. Then you should see iOS 18 available for you in beta mode. You can just go ahead, hit the update now to download and install the iOS 18 beta or public beta on your iPhone X, XX or XX Max. Then this is going to take a couple of minutes before this process is going to be completed. And make sure your iPhone is charged or is on charger before you install the update. So it's about 6.3 gigabyte storage size. Then go ahead, tap the update button. Then once you click on the update button, this is going to download and install the iOS 18 on your iPhone X, XX, XR, and X Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.